My name is Shashwat Mukherjee, and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in mathematics, which is algebra. Now, let us first define what is algebra. Algebra, like arithmetic, is a science of numbers with the distinction that the numbers in algebra are generally denoted by letters instead of by figures. So this is the definition of the term algebra. Now, if I can write this numbers as 2x square plus 4y plus 3x square y, or if I write this number as another number, 55x square y cube z square plus 12x square y ab, if I write these numbers. So these are known as algebraic expressions. Okay, these are known as algebraic expressions, right? They are known as algebraic expressions. Okay, now first let me define what are these x, y, x square y cube z square, x square y ab. These are known as variables. Okay, so let me first define the term variable. Variable is a letter which represents any number, or the value of variable can change. That is why it is known as a variable, or it comes from the words varieties. Like varieties, variable. So x square, I don't know what is the value of x square, I don't know what is the value of y, I don't know what is the value of x square y, I don't know what is the value of x square y cube x z square. So that is why it is known as a variable, or we can say that the numbers whose value which we don't know, such that we can express it by using any alphabet. Okay, so x square y, 3x square y, these are known as variables. Now let us come to the terms. What are monomial, what are binomial, what are trinomial, what are polynomials, what is the degree of a polynomial. Let us come to this. Now let us first define a polynomial. What are polynomials? Okay, polynomials are nothing but algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions are known as polynomials, right? So 2x square plus 4y plus 3x square y, 55x square y cube z square plus 12x square y ab, these are known as polynomials. Now let's come to the terms of polynomials. What are terms of polynomials? Terms. So 2x square plus 4y plus 3x square y, this is an algebraic expression, or this is a polynomial. Here in each case, 2x square, 4y, 2x square, then 4y, then 3x square y. These are known as the terms of the polynomial. Okay, so 2x square, 4y, 3x square y, then 55x square y cube z square, 12x square y ab. These are known as the terms of the polynomials. Now let us come to the subtopics of terms of polynomials. First are monomials. What is a monomial? What are monomials, or what is a monomial? The algebraic expressions having only one term. So these are known as monomials. The algebraic expressions having only one term are known as monomials. So for example, if I say 2x square or 4y square z square x cube, so these are known as monomials. Just keep this in mind, that whatever may be the number of variables in a single expression, that does not define that. For example, there are 3 variables in, but still this is also a monomial. It is because it does not have any plus and any other term. So whatever may be the degree of the polynomial or how many variables may be there, it does not affect the terms of polynomials. So these even if I can write this as 4x square x cube x square x cube z square y cube a cube b square c cube d raised to the power 5. So this is also a monomial. Mind you that the number of variables do not affect its terms. Now let us come to what are binomials. Binomials, right? Binomials. Let's come to this. Binomials are the algebraic expressions having two terms. The algebraic expressions having two terms. So these are known as binomials. Let us take some examples. 2x square plus 3y cube, 3y cube plus 5x square, 44x square y cube plus 5x cube y square. So these are known as binomials, or the algebraic expressions having two terms. So the algebraic expression which are having two terms are known as binomials. In the case in first where I gave you the example of what are algebraic expressions, observe that 55x square y cube z square plus 12x square yab is also a binomial, because here only there are two terms. Again and again I am telling you that the number of variables does not affect the terms of a polynomial. So 55x square y cube z square and 12x square yab is plus 12x square yab is a binomial. Is that okay? Now let us go to what are trinomials. Trinomials. What are trinomials? The algebraic expressions having three terms. Having three terms. Okay, so these are known as trinomials. Let's again go back to the example of what are algebraic expressions. Here observe 2x square plus 4y plus 3x square y. Here there are three different terms. So this expression is a trinomial. Let me give you another example. 2x square plus 3y cube plus 44x square y cube. This is also a trinomial because there are three terms. So the given example is a trinomial. Now, so and after trinomials there comes polynomials. Basically in exams in which the questions are asked, count what are the terms of the polynomial, write the terms of the polynomials. Basically you have to classify them as monomials, binomials and trinomials. Alright, so polynomials, what are the terms of polynomials? In terms of polynomials there are monomials, binomials, trinomials, and after that it's going to be a polynomial. Alright, now let us come to the degree of a polynomial.